Hello everybody, welcome to investpack8.com, where we are making things actually happen for you. Have you been in different programs and they make a lot of promises? Some of them produce profits and some don't. Well, that's all good and well. You know, people are looking for hope. What if I can actually show you how you can do your own way of making money with the stock market, crypto? If you look up here, you're going to see all the different ways of making money. So I can go to stocks if I want to. Okay, so that has all my stocks in all that's available, and I get off of crypto, and we're on stock. That kind of stuff. All right. So let's go to crypto. Everybody wants to do Bitcoin, but it doesn't matter what it is. So example. Here are all your stocks. This is what they're doing. Most of them are going to be doing similar when it's going through. So you see, crypto is up, and Bitcoin and Dodge, everything, Ethereum. You know, you could trade on any one. It doesn't matter which one it is. And all you had to do is hit buy. Okay, it's just as simple as that. So let's do Ethereum. I love Ethereum. Now, I always tell you, don't buy when it's going up. So what's the remedy of that to go ahead and get in position to buy when it comes down? So let's do this. Let's go. We're going to hit buy. Ethereum. Okay. Alright, we want to place an order. Remember, we're doing orders. We're not doing all this trading stuff. So let's get orders. Okay. Limited order. Okay. Not market order. Limited order. Show you what everything. Let's see if it rolls down a little bit more. Okay. Okay, all right, let's start all over. We're going to make an order. We're not trading. Order. We go to an order. A limited order. That means I have it to do what I want when I want it to happen. Okay, let's see. Limited order. I'm going to make one. The amount I'm going to use there we go. It's internet slow or something. Alright, so let's say you get in there for $100. Okay, so we want to pay $100. Alright, that's 2.95 units of Ethereum. The limit let's see, we want to actually buy it when it falls. So let's go back. That's the full price. So when it falls, when it falls down to 3 to 8, that's when we want to buy it. So, okay. Alright. So it's not going to buy it until it falls. So we'll go ahead and execute it. So this is how you make money on the stock market, and you get in on a position without losing. So I'm buying it here. Yeah, awesome. Okay, so I'm putting $100 in, and I think it jumped up a little bit more. So before, okay, so what I want, when the stock market falls down, this will execute and you'll be on your trade. So I'm gonna confirm it. I'm okay with that. All right. So watch these numbers. So when that gets to 0, okay, hold on. The limit price is this. We want to buy it when it falls down to this number. 328 4630. So this is 3284. I better go ahead and execute, confirm it, because it's about to actually execute. Okay. All right, see it at the bottom here. All right, there we go. So we took $100 and we create a trade. So this is a partial trade. We're actually waiting for the stock to fall on Ethereum, right? So let's go to the chart of Ethereum. Believe me, you would want me to be your teacher. So what I'm teaching you, see, I always tell people not to buy when it's up like that. So you see what it's doing, it's dropping. So you want to buy it when it drops. So you don't have to be nowhere around. It's going to fall and execute. And then it's going to go back up. And that's when you're making your money. And this is very volatile. I love it. See, this is what's happening all day long. Look at your timestamps. You see how many times it's been changed? Here's your time here at the bottom. Just look at how many times it's been changed just in the 11 o'clock. Okay. And this is called the MACD. That's going to show you how long it's going to stay up or down. I'll teach you about all that too. Okay. Now, it's going up right now. So that means too far, too fast, it won't last. So it has to come down. Because you can see it right here. It's going to be going down. Oh, you're watching it. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do is show you that this is going to drop here in a little bit. And when I'm doing things like this, it's for education, so you can make a decision. Okay, we made right there is a what you call. I actually invented that. As far as the wording of it, but we call it a corporate slide. So it goes straight across and then it drops. So let's see if that's true on this one. See if we get us a corporate slide out of this one. Let's see. So to make that work, it will go down. Hopefully it'll work this time. Okay, we'll see. So it goes across and then it drops. Come on, sugar bum. And usually it's called a shakeout. What they're doing corporate is shaking people out of their stock or making them buy it. And see, so okay, they're actually adding in right there. So let's see if they're gonna stay up. You can see this line here is kind of drooping, so we'll see if they're going to stay up. Let's see. So nope, I think that one was a corporate slide going up, which would be a double hump. So it's going to be going up for a while. Actually, it's going up for a while. It's okay. So now it's accelerating, and later on in the day, it will fall, and you have your position. Awesome. So what this means is your $100 is still safe, even though it's going up and it's subject to go down. Okay, you see that has gotten light in color. That means it's going to come down. Okay. Okay, get that off. Alright. Now, when these two lines come together, then that confirms your reverse trend. So we already had an upward trend. So now these are coming together, and that blue line, when it gets here, that is a reverse trend on which way the stock market is going. Now you can say stock market in crypto because you're still buying stock in crypto, and in this case it's Ethereum. So your terminology still works. So what we're looking for is these two to come together. That blue touch that red, and then it keeps going through. That's called a reverse trend, and it breaks through support. So red line would be support for the blue line, and then it breaks through that, then there you go. Now it's coming back towards your position activating. Those of you that's serious about doing your own trading, you see right here now that I could have set that and went on about my business. See, it's still breaking down through resistance. Through support. See the red line coming up now. Red line coming, meaning it's following. So this is how you buy and make money when it's going down, because once it creates your position, then it's going to go up automatically and start making you money. Now it broke through resistance. Support. You see that? Wow. Your position should be, your order should show up here in a minute, if it hasn't already. It'll pop up on the screen once it's executed. So if a person had bought if they had bought the stock right here, trying to make some money, I think it was right about here. They said, oh, that looked good, it's going up. Well, you see how confusing this can be. But whenever you see it going up, always just like this, you see it going up, you don't buy that. You buy it cheaper. So you want to buy it somewhere right here. Well, actually, it'd have been, yeah, you would have bought it about here. Then it goes down, then it comes up, and you make your money, and you get off. This is still dropping. It should have already executed. Let's see. So we're going to go to portfolio and see if it created anything. Not yet. So your total investment, this is your portfolio. Nothing happened yet. But when that goes down far enough, then it'll be $100 here. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay, wow. Wow, look at that. Okay, here it is here. Still coming down, it's breaking down through support. Which is a good thing, because we bought it low. See, people don't know how to buy low. They feel like they need to look at it. But you place an order. So all we do is place orders. We place an order so when it does come to go down where you want it, it will buy it. And if we miss it, we can always place another order. If the trend reverses, let's say this breaks back up. Then you take that and you follow the trend. So in other words, you would place another order going up. If you got an extra $100, then just leave this position alone and buy it again. So you'll have two positions that's working for you. So if it goes any further down there, it activates the first one you made. And then the other one, when this one turns around, it starts making money. So now you got $200 working for you instead of $100. So each time the trend change, you buy it. They're called trend reversals, and this is a perfect example of a corporate slide, upside down corporate slide. You see it slid across, and then it went on up. Well, it looks like it's trying to come down some more here. That's a head and shoulders, and usually when they go down like that, when it creates that, it's gonna fall. But we'll see if that's what's happening. I'm giving you these videos for free. I want to encourage you that there is hope in making money from home. And I'll show you how. So I guess you see this is a good day. You might think that these videos are long, but this is me taking time with you to teach you how to do this. And the reason you want to join up with me, so you can get the aha moment. And you will always be able to come in and make your money or set it up. So now this is a spike down. Too far, too fast, it won't last. It's going to go back up. What do we do? Now you go in and you buy it again. This is where we start. Buy it again. Oops. That'd be good, but let's just stay practical, okay? So we'll buy it again. Okay, I'm not going to hit confirm until I see that finish up. I still see it falling. Alright. So it's still. So I'm going to cancel it. So just watch how I'm doing things. I'm going to cancel it. See, this is a head and shoulders. Usually they really fall when they do that. So we're watching that. Which that's what we want for that first order we made. So it's still going down. It's getting closer to what we ordered. So I'm going to look at it again. Let's look at the portfolio. I hope it executed. No, it don't look like it executed yet. Okay. So you hit back, go back where you were. Okay. So it looked like it's reverse. You're getting a reverse trend again. All right. So now this is when we want to go ahead and buy our $100 worth, because it didn't get far enough down. So now we'll go and get our $100 worth. And we're going to buy it. Okay. We bought it. There you go. It's on the screen. So this works two ways. Now I bought that, and now I want to set it to sell. So we go back to the portfolio. Okay, we're down by $2. All right. Okay, we invested $200. I guess both of them is executed. It is actually like that. But let's see. Let's see. So now I want to sell this. So you have to go through steps. Right now I can't do it. So let me see. There might be something else I can click. So, okay, take profits. So this is what you want to go to, take profits. Aha. Set, take profits. Okay. You see what showed up, $980. So we don't want that. We want to set, see, this is at rate, so we set it to at amount, and we want to set it at, just to get familiar with it, you want to take profits at, let's do this. We're going to take profits at $3. Alright, so you hit $3, then you hit this here. Now it's $3, alright? And then you update it. So now you placed another order. Okay? So actually, it's going to be the $2 subtracted plus the $3, I mean, plus the $3. So actually this had to come to $5, and you made $3. Clear $3. So this is what you want to do when you first come in here. Just work with your $100 and get familiar with what's going on. So you see these numbers, it's no longer $2 in the red. So that means you're getting ready to make some profits. So you can go up here. I think you could head to, well, you can add different things to that chart. So we can add the fees. I think we already got take profits open. Where to open that? Units. So let's try. Let's try fee. We'll add that. daily profits. We'll add that. This P and S, so that's profits and loss. So daily profits and loss. Profits and loss. Take profits. Alright, so that's enough on that. So we're gonna apply that. I think I should have applied some more things, but we're good. Alright. So this is where you just cruise and you let it happen. You can walk away now. And whenever, sometime today, it'll give you $3. Okay, even though it's going back and forth. I think you should be able to go to your chart here. Let's see, we'll hit here. Okay. And view chart. That's what we want. Okay. Okay. Now you should have another one that's going to execute after a while. It's still dropping like that. So that your first one should execute in a little bit if it's still going down. Okay, so this is how you work it. I was hoping that this one, bottom one, the first one that we made, would execute before I got off of here with 30 minutes in. But this is all about teaching. This is what teaching is about. Once you get the things in place, then you can walk away, and at the end of the day, you're paid. And if you're doing this for a living, every time it'll notify you whenever something is done, so you can, go back and place another order. Either place an order to buy it when it falls, or place an order to sell it when it rises. These are only two that you need to do. For each transaction, a full transaction, there's two things you have to do. You have to place an order to buy, and then place an order to sell. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully you'll join us with investpack8.com. investpack.com. Bye for now. Uh-oh. I was going to say bye, but look like it's getting ready to execute. So we'll keep it on. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes would be 35 minutes that we're in this. So that actually shows you how long does it take to make money on the stock market. So let's see. Are we getting ready to activate the other order that we placed? Hopefully this goes down, that blue line goes down far enough to execute. So I'll stay on here for another almost a minute. We'll see what happens. So when this first one that you made executes, then it has to reverse the trend again and start making money going back up. And all it has to do is spike down. It don't have to stay there no time. Okay, they're doing it. Okay. 35. Okay. Well, I'm just hoping to do it later. I don't want to go over 35 minutes. So you already know what's getting ready to happen. It's still in a what you call a bull market. No, I'm sorry, bear market. Bear market goes down, but it looks like it's trying to trend back up and go back into a bull market. So you can't lose on either one because you got it. If it falls, it activates one and you start making money that way. If it goes up, it just follows the other one that you created. So you can't lose. Alright? I think you would call this a straddle that we created. We'll talk to you later. This is Gary with Nelson's and this is Gary with Invest Pack 8. We'll talk to you later, guys. It's just looking good. I mean, you just can't. Either way, you're going to make money, up or down. So you have to create these strategies. Bye for now.